Welcome to our detailed review of Nordea Bank. If you're wondering whether Nordea is the right bank for you, you've come to the right place. Let's start with an overview of their services. Nordea is one of the largest financial institutions in the Nordic countries, offering a wide range of services like personal accounts, loans, credit cards, and business banking. But what about their terms of service? Are they worth it? First, let's talk about Nordea's account options. They offer different types of personal accounts like savings, checking, and current accounts. Each account comes with its own terms, including maintenance fees, transaction fees, and conditions for free services. For example, Nordea's basic checking account charges a monthly fee of approximately SEK 65, and there are extra costs for international transactions and ATM withdrawals outside of the Nordea network. Next, we look at their loan services. Nordea provides various types of loans, including mortgages, personal loans, and business loans. Interest rates on loans depend on your credit profile and the type of loan. For mortgages, the rates can range from 2.45% to 3.55% annually, depending on the term length and the type of interest rate you choose, fixed or variable. When it comes to credit cards, Nordea offers several options. Their most popular credit card, the Nordea Gold Mastercard, comes with a SEK 300 annual fee, but you earn reward points for every purchase. However, interest rates on unpaid balances can climb to around 18.99%, which is on the higher side compared to some competitors. Nordea also has an online banking platform and mobile app, both of which are quite user-friendly. The mobile app allows customers to manage their accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans or credit cards. However, some users have reported occasional issues with app stability, especially during peak usage times. Now, let's talk about customer service. Nordea has received mixed reviews from its customers. Some clients appreciate the bank's wide range of services and efficient online tools, while others have criticized the slow response times from customer support and high fees associated with certain services. A big advantage of Nordea is its large presence in the Nordic countries, making it an ideal choice for people living or doing business in those regions. On the downside, some users feel that the bank's fees can be a bit on the high side compared to local competitors, and there have been reports of difficulty in reaching customer support when issues arise. Finally, it's worth noting that Nordea has invested in improving its security protocols, offering features like two-factor authentication and fraud prevention measures, which makes it a relatively safe option for banking. However, like all financial institutions, it's important to stay vigilant and monitor your accounts regularly for any suspicious activity. If you've been considering Nordea Bank, hopefully, this video has helped you get a clearer picture of what to expect. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on financial products. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions.